Welcome to Mindzita, Tech Simplified, Dreams Amplified. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Printify with Shopify and add print-on-demand products step by step. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a Shopify store created, a Printify account. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Apps, then click Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Printify. Click on Printify, Print on Demand, then click Install App. Shopify will now redirect you to Printify. Now you'll see the Printify login screen. Log in using your existing Printify account. You can sign in with email, Google, or Apple, depending on how you created your account. Once logged in, Printify will automatically connect to your Shopify store. If you see your Shopify store listed as connected, you're good to go. Next, we're going to create our first product. In Printify, click Catalog from the left menu. Here you'll see all available print-on-demand products, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, hats, and more. For this tutorial, we'll start with a t-shirt, which is perfect for beginners. Click Men's Clothing, then T-shirts. A very popular and beginner-friendly option is the Gildan 5000 Unisex Heavy Cotton Tee. Click on the product, then choose DTG Printing. For fulfillment, select Printify Choice, which automatically assigns a top-rated printer and gives you the best pricing. Then click Start Designing. Now you're inside the design editor. Click Upload and upload your design file, preferably a high-quality PNG with a transparent background. Select the front of the shirt, center the design on the chest, and resize it to around 12 inches wide. Make sure the design is not blurry and that there are no warning messages. On the right panel, click Colors. Select only the shirt colors you want to sell. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Printify will now push the product directly to your Shopify store. Next, go to Printify, Products. Click on the product. You can change the title, description, add size table to description, enable personalization, select shipping method, etc. Most important, select the Shopify collection. Click on Publish. Now go to your Shopify store. Click on Products. You can see the product is automatically added to Shopify. Now visit your website and you can see that the product is uploaded. And that's it. You've successfully connected Printify with Shopify and added your first print-on-demand product. If you run into any issues, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.